Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G04 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change font size in your phone Moto G04. First of all, go to the settings of your phone. Go to settings. Then go to display. Go to display. Then go to display size and text, and here select font size option. Okay, default font size is on second point. Okay, if you want to increase font size, you got to move this point to the right side. Okay, if you pick up on right side, font size will be increased. Okay, this is very large size. Okay, also you can press this plus button to increase. Okay, either you can touch from the point itself or you can press this plus symbol. This is very large size. Okay, see here, font size has been changed to maximum. Okay, see here. So to decrease font size, again go to the same settings, then display size and text, and move the point to the left side. Either you can use from the point itself, or you can use this minus symbol to decrease font size. Okay, this is very small size. Okay, very minimum size is applied now. Check now. Go to the home screen and go to the settings page and check. Font size is very small. Okay, if you want to keep in the default font size, yes, you can do it. Again go to the settings, display, then go to display size and text, and keep the point in the second option, second point. Okay, this is default size that was already set in your phone. Okay, in this way you can easily either increase font size or decrease font size, or if you would like to bring back to default, yes, you can do it. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.